Hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. As an international student, I am excited to share my passion for helping you succeed in your study abroad journey and ace your F1 visa interviews. Today's video covers the following topics, so make sure to watch till the end. How to prepare for an F1 visa interview. What is an F1 visa? What is an F1 visa interview? F1 visa interview questions. Tips on how to answer them and sample answers to the questions. Preparing for an F1 visa interview can be nerve-wracking, but there are several ways to increase your chances of getting your visa approved. Here are some best ways to prepare. Research the school and program you are applying to, and be familiar with the academic requirements and coursework. Demonstrate ties to your home country. Be prepared to demonstrate English speaking ability by listening and responding to questions in English. Be honest and concise with your answers, avoiding giving long-winded or vague responses. Show enthusiasm and confidence for your chosen program of study, maintaining good eye contact and speaking clearly. Lastly, be on time for your interview and remain calm and composed throughout the process. What is an F1 visa? An F1 is a non-immigrant visa that allows international students to pursue academic studies and language training programs in the United States. Eligibility is limited to individuals who have been accepted to attend a college, university, or language training program, and who are enrolled full-time. F1 visa holders are prohibited from working off campus without authorization and must maintain a full course of study. The benefits of an F1 visa include the opportunity to study at prestigious institutions, gain valuable cross-cultural experiences, and participate in practical training. What is an F1 visa interview? An F1 visa interview is a crucial in-person meeting conducted by a U.S. consular officer in the student's home country to evaluate their eligibility for an F1 visa. The interview aims to determine the student's intent to study in the U.S., their financial stability, and their ties to their home country. The documents required for an F1 interview include Form I-20, passport, SEVIS fee receipt, MRV fee receipt, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation page, and passport pictures. Note: additional documents including admission letter, financial support documents, transcript, etc. may be required. F1 visa interview questions. The questions asked in an F1 interview may vary depending on the individual circumstances of the applicant and the discretion of the visa officer. This video contains some of the sample questions that are often asked during F1 visa interviews, tips on how to answer them, and sample answers. What is the purpose of your trip to the United States? Answer the question truthfully and concisely, stating the primary purpose of your trip to the U.S. as a student on an F1 visa. Provide specific details about your study program, including the name of the school and the specific concentration of your program of study. Sample answer: I am going to the U.S. to pursue a doctoral degree in chemistry with an emphasis on organic chemistry at Florida State University, Tallahassee. Why did you choose to study in the United States? Mention specific reasons why U.S. education is attractive to you, such as academic reputation, quality of faculty, research opportunity, or the availability of specialized programs. Discuss how studying in the U.S. will help you achieve your personal and career goals, such as gaining a competitive edge in the job market, pursuing a specific career path, or expanding your cultural horizons. Provide a clear, concise response that directly addresses the question, and avoid giving vague or overly general answers. Sample answer: my interest in studying in the U.S. is driven by the fact that most of the research works in my field of interest are conducted by professors in the U.S. Hence, studying in the U.S. will give me access to advanced research resources, facilities, and expertise, enabling me to deepen my understanding of my field and engage in a groundbreaking research project that will prepare me to take up a senior lecturing role when I return to my home country. Also, a degree from the U.S. is highly valued and recognized in my country and beyond. How do you plan to fund your studies? Clearly explain your financial situation, including any scholarships, grants, loans, or personal savings that you plan to use to fund your studies. Demonstrate a realistic plan for managing your finances. Provide specific details on funding secured, timelines, and financial documentation required. Sample answer: I have been awarded graduate teaching assistantship by my department for 5 years. During this period, I will be paid $XYZ yearly, and this covers my full tuition, health insurance, and my living expenses. If your parents are sponsoring your studies in the U.S., then say that. What do your parents do? Be honest and clear about your parents' occupation. Provide relevant details about their job, such as the company they work for, their position, their monthly salary, and annual income. Sample answer: my father is a senior lecturer at the University of Ghana. He also owns a real estate firm in Ghana. This firm has been in existence for the past 10 years and has over 25 employees. The annual earning of the firm is $81. An amount of $XYZ has been set aside to fund my education in the USA. What are your plans after you complete your studies? Explain your plans after you complete your studies, whether it's finding a job in your field of study or pursuing further education. Show your intention to return to your home country. Highlight your ties to your home country, and this could be in the form of family, property, business, or job opportunities. Sample answer: after completing my studies in the U.S., I will return to my home country to take up a senior lecturing role at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, where I will contribute to the development of my country by mentoring the next generation of leaders and innovators. The knowledge and skills I acquired throughout my studies in the U.S. will also help me to set up my research lab in preparation for my long-term goal of becoming a professor in my field. The F1 visa interview is a crucial step in the process of studying in the United States. By preparing well and being confident, applicants can increase their chances of success. If you want to catch part 2 of this video, where I will be showing you how to answer other important questions in an F1 interview, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.